Imagine a future where our bodies have access to spare parts that are tailor-made to match us perfectly. Could 3D printed organs be the key to unlocking this medical marvel? What if we could replace failing organs with ones crafted layer by layer, mimicking the intricacies of our own biology? Are 3D organs the destined pioneers of the organ transplant revolution? Let's dive into this mesmerizing world where science fiction meets reality. Did you know that over 100,000 people are waiting for an organ transplant at any given moment in the United States alone? The demand far exceeds the supply of donor organs. But what if we could sidestep this shortage? Picture this: a heart, kidney, or liver that isn't harvested from a donor, but is instead fabricated from scratch. The idea might sound like it's straight out of a futuristic novel, but it's closer to reality than you might think. Enter the world of 3D printed organs. The basic idea here is to use specialized 3D printers that work with biological materials, such as living cells and bio-friendly materials, to create replacement organs layer by layer. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. Scientists are already experimenting with 3D printed tissues and smaller scale organs. Our bodies are complex, finely tuned machines composed of cells, tissues, and organs working together in harmony. These organs have their unique architectural designs, made up of cells with specific functions. 3D printing organs offers the tantalizing prospect of creating structures that closely mimic the natural ones, potentially reducing the risk of rejection after transplantation. But what if our bodies, intricate as they are, have secrets we're only just beginning to uncover? Could the subtle interactions between cells and their microenvironments be essential for an organ's proper functioning? If 3D printed organs lack these nuances, could they truly replace their natural counterparts? Now, consider this: our bodies have an amazing ability to self-organize during development. Cells communicate and arrange themselves into precise patterns. This dynamic self-assembly is a biological masterpiece. 3D printed organs, while impressive, might not be able to fully replicate this innate self-organization. But here's a twist: what if technology advances to the point where we can precisely control not just the architecture of these 3D printed organs, but also the way cells interact and arrange themselves within? Could we potentially bridge the gap between the natural and the manufactured? So, are 3D printed organs the undeniable future of organ transplants? While the field is promising and continuously advancing, it's essential to remember that the complexity of our biology goes far beyond what meets the eye. The path to success might involve a hybrid approach, where we integrate the precision of 3D printing with our growing understanding of the subtleties of natural organ development. As of now, while 3D printed organs hold immense potential to revolutionize organ transplantation, they might not be the sole solution. Our bodies are remarkable creations, and the interplay between cells, signaling molecules, and microenvironments is a dance we're still learning to follow. The future might see a synergy between 3D printing technology and our evolving understanding of biology, ultimately offering a more holistic approach to saving lives through organ transplantation. The journey of science is often filled with both remarkable breakthroughs and unexpected challenges. While 3D printed organs might not entirely replace traditional transplantation, they're undoubtedly a step towards addressing the dire shortage of donor organs. As we venture further into this field, we're not just tinkering with technology, we're delving deeper into the awe-inspiring intricacies of life itself. The future might hold answers that are as surprising as they are groundbreaking. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe. Sci Opener.